Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert a signature underline in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. When we want to insert a signature underline in this document, go to the Insert menu. Then click Text box and insert a text box. Then write anything. Then before the text, click and press on our keyboard shift and underscore 3 times. Then press enter. Now we can see here we insert a signature underline this text box. We click the text box and go to the format menu. Then click shape outline and choose no outline. Now we can see here we insert a signature underline very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.